Today, going to give you a product review on these highlighter pens that are being marketed for your motorcycle tire. And this is more of a discouragement more than anything. So it takes a while to ship, and the concept is that you press it several times, and let me get like something to press it on. So you press it several times after you shake it up to sort of get the ink flowing, right? So you press it, and it just comes out really nice and squishy like that. So as you can see, that's the reality of it. And we take a clean surface of the tire, right, and we press in here. But look at the actual, see, it's runny, it goes back, it settles into that groove, and the rest looks like dog do. And so if we get a long shot here, right, this is how after a couple weeks it ends up, right? So you see how it ran to the side and it's really faded. It looks almost like that, like a greenish color. Doesn't look anything like it should. So already you see it ran here. So I did a few of these, and it looks pretty terrible compared to the paint. And certainly nothing like what you see on the videos where they just cleanly swipe it through, and it's nice and thick and sticky, and you have a beautiful tire. So now I'm going to actually have to take a black Sharpie and mark over these few treads that I've already done. So hope this educates and maybe even discourages some of you from purchasing this highlighter marker that's being marketed for your motorcycle tire.